How to cancel Verizon phone service. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for verizon.com/support. It will land you on this official page of Verizon support. Over here you'll be able to see the search bar. What you want to do is simply enter cancel and then search for it. This interface will appear. Now scroll all the way down and over here it says if you want to cancel your Verizon service for any of the other reason, here are some things you need to know. Well, you won't be able to cancel your service online. And if you want to cancel it, you can only cancel between Monday to Friday. In order to do so, what you want to do is simply call this number over here. Once you call in this number, you will need to provide your account details to cancel the service. And the customer calling from CAFL and TX need to contact the local providers. Let's say you want to use the Truebill providers. Here you can see it says, cancel my Verizon wireless subscription. You need to fill up some of the information of your Verizon. Once you have filled up the information, over here in the notes, you need to mention that you want to cancel the Verizon phone service. Once you have mentioned, tap on the checkbox and click on cancel my subscription. Now within 24 hours, your Verizon phone service will be cancelled successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to cancel Verizon phone service. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.